What did you do today? What'd you do today? What is that on your face?
Juice.
Juice is on your face? What's on your face, honey? You gotta back up so Mommy can see you. Show Mommy what's on your hand. On the back of your hand? What is that? Marker? What were you doing with the marker? Were you dying of thirst there? Max? What were you doing with the marker? Why are you pushing Mommy? I didn't give you the marker. Look at your brother fussing over there. Hey, feed me! Feed me! Max, come pose for a picture for Mommy. Gotta take your cup down. You ready? Put your cup down and say chicken. Okay. Hang on.